Hello everyone, I'm teacher Jasmine and I'm going to teach you English. We are going to learn the English alphabets together. For today, we are going to learn how to write letter A. We are going to learn about letter A today. Are you excited? Great! But before that, let's sing together. Are you ready? Let's sing the letter A song together. Now let's sing. Can you make the letter sound? We can show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn about the letter A. This is the capital A. This is the lowercase a. You know how the A looks. Now let's make the letter A sound. Now let's make the letter A sound. Repeat after me. A, 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 a. Can you repeat after me? A, 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 a. Great. A is for ant. A is for apple. A is for astronaut. A is for ace. A is for arrow. A is for anchor. You know some A words. Now let's make the letter A sound. Let's make the letter A sound together. A, 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 a. Let's make the letter A sound again. A, 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 a. A. Good job, everyone. Did you have fun? Nice. Now we are going to do some activities together. Are you excited? Great. Let's go. We are going to match the letter A with the correct pictures. So I will be giving you letter A and some pictures. We have a car, an astronaut, an ant, a ball, and an apple. So what we are going to do is we are going to match the letter A with the correct picture. Are you ready? So now let's look at here. You see this letter A? Okay, we are going to match letter A with the words that start with letter A. So let's look at this. This is a car. Car. Can you repeat after me? Car. So car, does car start with letter A? No, it doesn't start with letter A, so we are not going to match this. Okay, now let's look at the second picture. What is this? Yes, it's an ant. Ant. Repeat after me. Ant. So, ant, does it start with letter A? Yes, good job. Ant start with letter A, so we are going to match ant with letter A. See, I draw a line. Now, let's move on to this. Who is this? Yes, this is an astronaut. Astronaut. Let's repeat after me. Astronaut. One more time. Astronaut. Does astronaut start with letter A? Yes, correct. Astronauts start with letter A, so we are going to match letter A with astronaut. Great. Now let's look at this one. How about this? What is this? Ball. One more time. Ball. So does ball start with letter A? Ball. No, it doesn't. It doesn't start with letter A. So we are not going to match this one. Now let's move on to the last picture. What is this? It's an apple. Yes, it's an apple. So, does the word apple start with letter A? Apple. One more time. Apple. Does it start with letter A? Correct. Apple starts with letter A, so we are going to match letter A with apple. Great job, everyone. You did a really great job. Let's move on to the next exercise. Now, we are going to learn how to write letter A. Are you ready? Great. So here we have 4 lines, 2 red lines and 2 blue lines. We are going to write letter A on these lines. First, I will show you how to write it. First, we will draw a line like this. Look at the arrow. See, we are going to write down the line like this. See, from here to here. We are going to draw a line from here to here. This is line number 1. Now we are going to draw another line. See, this time we will have to draw like this. Look at it carefully. From here to here. See how it is drawn? Great. This is line number 2. And the last one, we are going to draw a cross like this. Look at how it's drawn. See, from here to here. Cross. This is line number 3. Got it? Now we get a letter A. Can you write letter A now? Great job. Now, do you see this? This is your textbook. Do you have your textbook? Great. For today, we are going to do the exercises on page 4. Are you ready? Good. The first exercise. Here, what you have to do is you will have to circle letter A. Now you know how the A looks, so you can circle it. Can you? Great. Now let's look at the first letter. Is this letter A? Is this letter A? Yes, it is. So we are going to circle this letter A. See, this is letter A, so I circle it. Now let's look at the second one. Is this letter A? No, it isn't. This isn't letter A. So we are not going to circle it. How about this one? Is this letter A? No, it isn't. It isn't letter A. So we are going to skip this one also. Now, let's look at this one. Is this letter A? Is this letter A? Correct! This is letter A, so we are going to circle it. Now circle it in your textbook. Good job! Now let's look at another one. How about this? Is this letter A? Is this letter A? Great! This isn't letter A, so we are not going to circle this one. Now let's look at this one. How about this? Is this letter A? Does it look like letter A? No, it doesn't. So we are not going to circle this one. Got it? I have shown you the first line. Starting from here, you will have to do by yourself. Can you do it? Good. Let's move on to the next exercise. Now you will see this in your textbook. And this one also. What you have to do is you will have to write letter A on these exercises. In the first one, you will have to trace letter A on the dots. And in the second one, you will have to write letter A on the lines. Before you do it on your own, I will be showing you how to do it. So look at it carefully.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to write letter A. Do you have your textbook with you? Let's turn to page 4. Have you turned to page 4? Great. Firstly, I will show you how to write letter A. First, put a down here. Down and another down. Down and cross. Letter A. Good job. Now I will show you one more time. Down, down, and cross. This is letter A. Good job. Do you think you can do it by yourself? Great. Now it's your turn to write the rest by yourself. Can you do it? Okay, now let's move on to another exercise. Do you see this on page 4? Great. I will be showing you how to write A on this line. Okay? First, I will be showing you how to write A. Down, down, and cross. Letter A. Good job. Okay, let me try another one. Down, down, and cross. Letter A. Good job. I'll be showing you one more time. Okay? Down, down, and cross. Letter A. Good job. That is letter A.
Now, turn to the next page. Do you see this? You will have to write letter A in the boxes. So here are the boxes and you will have to write letter A here. And here, do you see the line? You will have to write letter A on the lines. Can you do it? I know you can do it. So, do your best and we will see in the next video. Bye bye.